The Recipe Room. Hi everyone, welcome to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious vegan and gluten-free burger that's packed with flavor and nutrition. First, let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup of gluten-free rolled oats, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Black beans are a great source of protein and fiber, while quinoa is a complete protein that's also rich in vitamins and minerals. Rolled oats add texture to the burger patties and are a good source of fiber and complex carbohydrates. Onion and garlic add flavor, while olive oil helps to bind everything together. Cumin and smoked paprika give the patties a smoky, savory taste. To make the burger patties, start by mashing the black beans in a large bowl. Then, add the cooked quinoa, rolled oats, onion, garlic, olive oil, cumin, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Mix everything together until well combined. Next, form the mixture into patties and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the patties in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. While the patties are baking, you can prepare your toppings. Some great options for a vegan and gluten-free burger are avocado slices, lettuce, tomato, pickles and vegan cheese. Avocado adds creaminess and healthy fats to the burger, while lettuce adds crunch. Tomato adds juiciness and sweetness, while pickles add tanginess. Vegan cheese melts beautifully on top of the hot patty and adds even more flavor. Once the patties are done baking, assemble your burger by placing a patty on a gluten-free bun and adding your favorite toppings. Serve immediately and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.